Welcome students. Today we are going to perform the biology practical of standard 12. Practical number 3. Its aim is to study pollen tube growth on stigma. Right? So if we are going to study the pollen tube growth on stigma, we will require certain materials. The requirement for the practical is first of all style of any flower. Right now we are taking Datura flower, beaker, water, slides, cover slips, and the most important staining material cotton blue, as well as brush and needle. So students, first of all we will discuss about the requirement. Right now we have to, first of all, this is a glycerin, this normal water, this is petri dish, this is a staining material, that is cotton blue, that we have to in a watch glass. Okay, here are two slides, right? The Datura flower, these are forceps, this is a matchbox and burner, right? This is a test tube stand and this is test tube. Okay, and this is microscope. Now see, first of all we will require the flower, that is Datura. Now see, Datura, the outermost bulb of the Datura, which is green in color, is calyx. So first of all we will remove the calyx, as we require only the female reproductive part. So we will remove the calyx. Now the inner bulb, right, which is white in color, is called as corolla. Right, it is made up of petals, and calyx are, the sepals are also fused, as well as petals are also fused. Now see, we are removing the corolla or petals, and you will be able to see the innermost two walls, carpel. Right, so this is the carpel of the flower. Now you have to excise the carpel of the flower. Okay, after excising it, you place it in a water which is taken in the test tube. Right, now what you will do, you will boil the water. So let me first start the burner. Okay, now once burner starts, you have to boil the stigma. Right, the reason to boil is for softening the tissue, right, so that we can easily watch under the microscope. So you have to boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can also take more than one stigma, as you can get better results. Now see, water is boiling. After this boiling of the water, we will remove this excise tile from the test tube into a beaker. Okay, so we have boiled it for 5 to 10 minutes. Right, now we will take it out in the petri dish, and we will keep it again at its own position. Now see, this is the excise style. We will pick it by a forceps, and we will stain it in a cotton blue staining material. So over here we have to stain it. Okay, now we have to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so once after keeping the material for staining, let us understand the principle of the practical. Right, so over here this is a pollen. Pollen by pollination from the anther is reached to the stigma. Right, after getting deposited on the stigma, if the pollen is compatible, then the inner wall of the pollen, which is referred as intine, this intine is made up of cellulose. So cellulose made in time will elongate or germinate and develop a pollen tube from the germ pore. Germ pore is the place where sporopollenin is absent of enzyme. It is the outer wall is referred as enzyme, and sporopollenin where it is absent or less present, that forms the germ pore. From that, in time extend as a pollen tube. Okay, so now see our material is already stained. Now taking the material or the exercise tile, we will keep it in a distilled water. So this was distilled water. Now excess stain will be removed from the style, right? After washing it, we will take the exercise tile and we will place it on the slide. Okay. Now we will add 1 drop of glycerin. Okay. After placing the drop of glycerin, you can take either cover slip or you can take another slide. Now see, keeping another slide, both slides should be clean, and placing on the material, you have to just press this entire material. So after pressing, you can see the style and stigma is already separated or spread. Okay. Now this slide is mounted or kept on the microscope for the observation. First of all, place the slide, adjust the line, right, and then you watch it under the microscope. See, you will be able to see results like this of development of pollen tube on stigma. Okay. After that observation, you will watch it under 45x. Okay. So this is about the observation, and you will be able to see the practical results like this. So this is all about the practical number 3.